Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're unboxing San Antonio, Texas, a city rich in history, vibrant culture, and unique attractions. Known for its colonial heritage, stunning riverwalk, and delicious Tex-Mex cuisine, San Antonio offers something for every traveler. In this ultimate travel guide, we'll explore the must-see sights and hidden gems that make this city so special. Let's dive in. Segment 1. Historic Landmarks. The Alamo. Our first stop is the Alamo, one of the most iconic historic sites in the United States. This former mission and fortress played a pivotal role in the Texas Revolution. Take a guided tour to learn about the 1836 Battle of the Alamo, explore the museum, and see artifacts from this crucial period in American history. The Alamo is a must-visit for anyone coming to San Antonio. San Antonio Missions National Historical Park. Next, we visit the San Antonio Missions National Historical Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that includes 4 Spanish frontier missions: Concepcion, San Jose, San Juan, and Espada. These missions offer a fascinating glimpse into 18th century colonial life. Each mission is unique, with beautiful architecture, serene grounds, and rich history. Take a guided tour or explore the park at your own pace. King William Historic District. For a taste of Victorian elegance, stroll through the King William Historic District. This area, once home to prominent German immigrants, features grand 19th century mansions and tree-lined streets. Visit the Steve's Homestead Museum, a beautifully preserved mansion, and enjoy the quaint cafes and shops in the neighborhood. Segment 2. Cultural Attractions. The San Antonio River Walk. The San Antonio River Walk, or Paseo del Rio, is the city's crown jewel. This network of walkways along the San Antonio River is lined with vibrant shops, restaurants, and bars. Take a leisurely stroll, enjoy a meal with a view, or hop on a riverboat tour to see the sights from the water. The river walk is especially magical at night when the area is beautifully lit up. The San Antonio Museum of Art. Art enthusiasts will love the San Antonio Museum of Art, housed in a historic brewery along the river walk. The museum boasts an impressive collection of art from around the world, including ancient Mediterranean, Asian, Latin American, and contemporary works. Don't miss the Latin American folk art collection and the beautiful outdoor sculpture garden. Market Square. Experience the vibrant culture of San Antonio at Market Square, the largest Mexican market in the United States. This lively area is filled with colorful stalls selling handcrafted goods, traditional clothing, and delicious food. Enjoy live music, dance performances, and sample Tex-Mex favorites like tamales, tacos, and churros. Segment 3. Family-friendly activities. San Antonio Zoo. The San Antonio Zoo is a fantastic destination for families, home to over 3,500 animals representing 750 species. Explore the lush grounds, visit the African savanna, and don't miss the impressive collection of birds at the Hickson Birdhouse. The zoo also offers interactive exhibits and a fun train ride around the park. The DoSeum. For a hands-on learning experience, take the kids to the DoSeum, San Antonio's museum for children. This interactive museum encourages play and exploration, with exhibits focused on science, technology, engineering, math, and the arts. Highlights include the Spy Academy, Innovation Station, and the Outdoor Waterworks area. Six Flags Fiesta, Texas. Thrill seekers will love Six Flags Fiesta, Texas, a sprawling amusement park offering a variety of rides, shows, and attractions. From heart-pounding roller coasters to family-friendly rides, there's something for everyone. The park also features a water park, perfect for cooling off on a hot Texas day. Segment 4. Outdoor Adventures. Brackenridge Park. Brackenridge Park is a beautiful urban park offering a variety of recreational activities. Explore the lush trails, visit the Japanese tea garden, or enjoy a picnic by the San Antonio River. The park is also home to the San Antonio Zoo and the Witt Museum, making it a great spot for a full day of fun. Natural Bridge Caverns. Just a short drive from the city, the Natural Bridge Caverns offer an unforgettable underground adventure. Take a guided tour to see stunning rock formations, including stalactites, stalagmites, and flowstones. For the more adventurous, there are also spelunking tours and a challenging zip-line course above ground. Mission Reach. For outdoor enthusiasts, the Mission Reach section of the San Antonio River Walk offers a scenic escape. This 8-mile stretch connects the city's historic missions with walking, running, and biking trails. Enjoy the natural beauty of the area, spot local wildlife, and explore the restored ecosystems along the river. Segment 5. Culinary Delights. Tex-Mex Cuisine. No visit to San Antonio is complete without indulging in some authentic Tex-Mex cuisine. Head to My Tierra Cafe y Panaderia, a local favorite, for delicious enchiladas, tamales, and margaritas. The restaurant is also known for its festive atmosphere and colorful decor. Another must-visit is Rosario's, famous for its modern take on classic Tex-Mex dishes. Barbecue. San Antonio is also home to some fantastic barbecue joints. Try the Granary, Q and Brew for mouth-watering brisket, ribs, and house-made sausages, paired with craft beer brewed on site. For a more traditional experience, visit 2M Smokehouse, where you can savor smoked meats prepared with a blend of Texan and Mexican flavors. Culinary Institute of America. For a unique dining experience, visit the Culinary Institute of America's San Antonio campus at the Pearl. Here, you can enjoy gourmet meals prepared by the next generation of top chefs at the student-run, now Latin Gastrobar. The Pearl District itself is a great spot to explore, with trendy shops, restaurants, and a lively farmers market. Conclusion. And that wraps up our ultimate guide to unboxing San Antonio, Texas. From its rich history and vibrant cultural scene to its delicious food and outdoor adventures, San Antonio truly has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel guides. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels!